MegaCitigen comes with a curve-based bridge system that allows you to create an endless variety of bridge and highway intersections. Let me show you how to make your own. First, we need to remember that we have 4 types of curves that we can use to assemble a bridge intersection: 8 lanes, 4 lanes, and 2 lanes, one forward and another backward. Let's start with one of the presets that already has a bridge intersection made with MegaCitigen. Let me delete all other elements to show you the 8-lane curve. So, this is the 8-lane curve. And here's the panel where we can assign curves to 4 different types of bridges. Let's go to the top view and copy the curve. In this way, we can keep the height of the copy equal to that of the original. Matching the height of 2 lines is important if you want to merge them. Let's remove the copy from 8-lane highways. That will make the line a forward single-directional 2-lane highway, which is the default for all unassigned mesh lines. You can set them as a 4-lane multidirectional highway. Or you can remove them from 4 lanes, which will revert to 2 lanes. Let's put these 2 lines closer together to see what happens. First, let's get out of the editing mode by clicking Convert to a parametric city, and click Add logical details. They have merged as one bridge, so they need to maintain equal height if they need to be merged. Let's go back to editing mode by clicking Edit Parametric City. Let's see how flexible this system is. Parts of the bridge that go underground automatically turn into roads. But you might run into a situation where the bridge's lights are placed on the wrong side. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Reset all curve directions by clicking Revert selected curve direction. Step 2. Find the bridge with wrong road lights and select them and click Flip selected curve direction. In summary, bring the bridge lines closer together to merge them, or put them underground to define new roads.